I created my very own dashboard to curate news from tons of articles online. So if you look over here, I scraped various sources to get all of these news items, some of them from The Verge, TechCrunch, VentureBeat, and many, many more. And I did that using this entire workflow that we did in the previous video. So what happens here is that we empty out our database and then we go through each and every one. I'm not going to go through this workflow right now. I'm mostly going to focus on this dashboard that I created, and why it's so cool is that at 5 o'clock in the morning, this workflow will scrape all of the sources. And by the time I get into work at 8 o'clock in the morning, I have a fresh list of AI news that I can choose and select the news that I want to see in my newsletter. Now, could I automate this entire process? Of course I could, but I want to have a say as to what news I want to be shown to my audience. And this is the whole human in the loop process. So that's the beauty of automation. You can choose where you want to insert your creativity into the whole entire process. So for me, it's doing this right over here. So as you can see this, it's a very simple dashboard, and I'll have all of the code here in my corporate automation library, in which we have many more automations on automating content creation, newsletter automation, as well as eventually we'll have our sales development representative or SDR. So you can get this entire dashboard code, or you can vibe code your own if you want to at our corporate automation library, in which we take you from level 1 to level 3 with many automations and workflows that are tried and tested to save you time, money, resources, and give you time and location freedom. So what does this dashboard do exactly? Well, you can select right over here what news items you want. So I want to search and look at Elon Musk saying he's suing Apple for rigging the Apple Store. Okay, actually, let's not do that because it's not really AI related. I want something more technologically relevant. So here, Claude's chatbot can now remember your past conversations. Kindly. So I'm going to select that. Meta makes conservative